Now, with the Prime Minister's announcement of a 20 lakh crore rupees stimulus package, it means that India has now one of the largest stimulus packages in the world. Now, the Prime Minister said that this particular package is 10% of the GDP. So let's draw a comparison now to other countries and the stimulus packages that they've announced in view of the coronavirus pandemic. Now, you see here that Japan has, in fact, the biggest stimulus package at 21.1% of the GDP. That's followed by the United States, which about 1.5 months ago had announced a stimulus package. So that is 13% of its GDP. India is fourth on the list with 10% of the GDP as a stimulus package. So it's only after Japan, US, Germany, which has just at about 10.7% of its GDP as a stimulus package, that India has now gone up. Remember, previously, the economic package that was announced, India was right at the end of this list after China even, which has a stimulus package of 3.8% of its GDP. With this announcement by Prime Minister Modi, India is now fourth in the list, which means that India now and the Modi government has announced one of the largest stimulus packages in the world. Fourth in the list, 10% of our GDP with a 20 lakh crore rupees stimulus package. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also in his address last night made a very strong pitch for self-reliant India. This was his fifth address to the nation since the coronavirus pandemic hit the country. It was a 33-minute speech, and Prime Minister Modi not only announced a mega stimulus package, as we just told you, but also shared his 5 pillars for what he believes will make a strong, self-reliant India. Prime Minister Modi listed his 5 pillars, which he said were infrastructure, economy, system, demography and demand. He stressed on the fact that India must realize its potential as the lead player in the 21st century by focusing on self-reliance. Now, the Prime Minister also said that India needs to fight coronavirus as well as carry on with other activities. He said that where there's a will, there's a way. He's also asked people to change this time, to change the coronavirus crisis into an opportunity for India.
साथियों, आत्मनिर्भर भारत की ये भव्य इमारत 5 पिलर्स पर खड़ी हुई है। पहला पिलर इकोनॉमी, एक ऐसी इकोनॉमी जो इंक्रीमेंटल चेंज नहीं बल्कि क्वांटम जंप लाए। दूसरा पिलर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, एक ऐसा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो आधुनिक भारत की पहचान बने। तीसरा पिलर हमारी सिस्टम, एक ऐसा सिस्टम जो बीती शताब्दी की रीति नीति नहीं बल्कि 21वीं सदी के सपनों को साकार करने वाली टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन व्यवस्थाओं पर आधारित हो। चौथा पिलर हमारी डेमोग्राफी, दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी डेमोक्रेसी में हमारी वाइब्रेंट डेमोग्राफी हमारी ताकत है। आत्मनिर्भर भारत के लिए हमारी ऊर्जा का स्रोत है। पांचवा पिलर डिमांड, हमारी अर्थव्यवस्था में डिमांड और सप्लाई चेन का जो चक्र है, जो ताकत है, उसे पूरी क्षमता से इस्तेमाल किए जाने की जरूरत है। साथियों, एक राष्ट्र के रूप में आज हम एक बहुत अहम मोड़ पर खड़े हैं। इतनी बड़ी आपदा भारत के लिए एक संकेत लेकर आई है, एक संदेश लेकर आई है, एक अवसर लेकर आई है। हमें कोरोना से पहले की दुनिया को, वैश्विक व्यवस्थाओं को विस्तार से देखने समझने का मौका मिला है। कोरोना संकट के बाद भी दुनिया में जो स्थितियां बन रही हैं, उसे भी हम निरंतर देख रहे हैं। जब हम दोनों कालखंडों को भारत के नजरिए से देखते हैं तो लगता है कि 21वीं सदी भारत की हो, ये हमारा सपना ही नहीं, ये हम सभी की जिम्मेदारी भी है।
So Prime Minister Modi also renewed his Make in India pitch and appealed to countrymen to be vocal for local. That is the message that he sent across, saying that people should choose local products in a bid to review and renew the economy. Now, the Prime Minister said that there is a need to be safe and at the same time to move ahead in our day-to-day life. He said that our resolve has to be bigger than the pandemic and once again stressed that a self-reliant India is the only solution.
आज से हर भारतवासी को अपने लोकल के लिए वोकल बनना है। लोकल के लिए वोकल बनना है। न सिर्फ लोकल प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदने हैं, बल्कि उनका गर्व से प्रचार भी करना है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि हमारा देश ऐसा कर सकता है।
Another headline from the Prime Minister's address last evening is that he's announced the fourth phase of the lockdown. The Prime Minister said that the fourth lockdown will have a new form and details of the same will be shared before May 18th after taking into account suggestions from several states. Prime Minister Modi, in his virtual meeting with all the chief ministers that had happened on Monday, had asked state governments to submit a blueprint on the lockdown exit strategy by May 15th. Now, the Prime Minister's Lockdown 4.0 announcement comes 5 days before the scheduled end of the third phase of the lockdown. That's on May 17th.
राज्यों से हमें जो सुझाव मिल रहे हैं, उनके आधार पर लॉकडाउन 4 इससे जुड़ी जानकारी भी आपको 18 मई से पहले दी जाएगी। मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि नियमों का पालन करते हुए हम कोरोना से लड़ेंगे भी और आगे भी बढ़ेंगे।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.